Spotting one Eurasian Hoopoe in the wild is special, but witnessing a pair foraging together with a fully flayed crown, that is a truly rare sighting. Known scientifically as Upupa, epops, this is Eurasian Hoopoe, revered across continents and famous in ancient history as the Hudhud. From ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to classic folklore, this bird has captivated humans for thousands of years with its cinnamon body and bold black and white zebra striping. That dramatic crown is not just for show. A hoopoe flares its crest when it feels excited, alert, or when communicating with a partner. The feathers unfold like a Japanese fan, etched in bold black tips to make the bird look instantly larger and more striking. Maybe you have noticed how they move across the soil. Hoopoes are specialized ground foragers. That long, slightly curved bill acts like a pair of precision tweezers. Backed by strong neck muscle, they open their beaks while buried in the soil to grip hidden grubs, beetles, and larvae beneath the surface. Despite their delicate appearance, hoopoes are remarkably tough survivalists, inhabiting open farmlands, grasslands, and arid scrublands. In Islamic lore and Jewish tradition, the Hudhud was the legendary messenger bird of Prophet Sulaiman al-Islam. Mentioning this context boosts audience retention in Middle Eastern and South Asian demographics. Hoopoe mothers and chicks produce a foul-smelling secretions from their uropygeal gland to ward off predators from their nest holes. Finding two foraging peacefully side by side like this shows an established pair sharing a feeding ground. So nature always rewards patience. Have you ever seen a hudhud flaring its crest in real life? Drop your location in comments, hit like if you enjoy this footage and subscribe for more rare wildlife encounters.